When a stock jumps by 68%, it will always catch the market's attention. Now it's Mullen's turn. Hi again, everyone. I hope you're doing really well. So we had a bit of a pleasant shock this afternoon with a sharp 68% rally in the MULN Automotive share price. Driving it, like, it seems to be this letter that's come out from the board and to shareholders saying that they still believe in the value underlying the stock, and they can't understand why basically the stock's being driven down the way it has been despite all that's in place and the positive developments the company's had. But there was something there that's kind of probably stirred up the retail interest a little bit, that has that further hint that they are taking further action to investigate obviously manipulative and illegal trading like they have done before. They've put out this sort of PR in the past before, and it kind of did lead to a bit of a short-term rally in the stock. And it looks like it's had a similar effect right now as well. It's hard to say whether or not in line with this part of the stock buyback was utilized, but yeah, it managed to get the stock up to 80 cents to close the session. It's still trading kind of flat in the aftermarket at the moment, so that was kind of a pleasant surprise. Still, we're not at $1, but it might be the start of momentum to get us back above $1, or not. It might be something that peters out. It's hard to say. Yeah, really, like, it's these little bits that they throw out there about manipulative practices in the market. They do have this short-term sugar rush effect on the stock, but I think, like, with Mullen and any other company that's kind of done this so far in the past, we've had like Hellbiz and Genius Group have done this before, and it's kind of petered out with them. There needs to be some sort of like legitimate follow-up that sort of shows that like proper actions being taken against any manipulative stock actions happening. So obviously there needs to be some sort of evidence of it happening for it to be proven, and then therefore action can be taken, and hopefully therefore it sets a precedent and this sort of manipulative trading stops. So hopefully what comes out in the coming sessions, maybe we might see proof that there is some evidence of manipulative trading, and it's got to be pursued, and therefore that's going to spook others who are manipulatively trading the stock and driving the price down. But until we have proof, we can only go by these little headlines, okay? And yeah, like I know obviously a lot of the share base feels like there is a degree of manipulation, but there's also, amongst the share base, there's also a lot of dissatisfaction with the board and David Michery in particular. So while there could be some manipulative trading going on, we have to also keep in mind that there's also a lot of distrust with the board as well. So, if you're a shareholder, you're kind of stuck in the middle of these two groups, and you're getting screwed either way, it seems, because the price just keeps going down. Anyway, I think personally for me, it was a bit of a shock to see the stock rally like it did in the afternoon. I've been a bit down about it the last couple of sessions, just because, like, it's gotten to the point where it's just not going to get to the $1 mark for 10 consecutive days before September 6th. That's impossible. It could get to $1 before September 6th. I always kind of contemplate that if it does get to the September 6th point and it is trading above $1, the Nasdaq might, apply some leniency and let it see if it stays up for those 10 consecutive days before they take any further action regarding escalating the delisting process. So, this might be the first step towards getting there. There's 8 more sessions to go before September 6th. So, yeah, who knows? But anyway, because I've been feeling really down, I didn't really feel like I wanted to put in any more in the stock, even though I did that bit of a swing trade last week. Yeah, I kind of just sat on the fence, and like, you miss these opportunities all the time. No one knows when lightning's going to strike, and yeah, so I kind of missed the rally, but I've still got my position in there, and it was good to see it recover significantly today. I'm still down, don't get me wrong, I'm still down, but it's not as heavy a loss. And like I've kind of reiterated before, my position in Mullen's not a huge one, so I'm not overly sad if it's like down a little bit. Anyway, how did you guys go today? Did you guys did anyone manage to buy in at one of the lower points and sell off at a higher point? Or is anyone, what are your thoughts on where all this is going? Do you think there's going to actually be some substantive evidence to prove stock manipulation, which might actually further bolster the stock price in MULN Automotive. Share your thoughts on all these developments in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. And also, thanks for those who tipped me off in the comments of my previous video about this update. But like, I saw the market move up before I saw the comments. So yeah, but often some of the first times I hear about what's going on with the company, I hear it in the comments here. So yeah, anyway, share those thoughts in there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you're all doing well, and may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.